In this video, I will show you how to convert MOV to MP4. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open the MOV to MP4 converter that you have. And then as you can see in here, I'm using this cloudconverter.com as a tool to convert MOV files to MP4. So in here, as you can see, I can go ahead and upload a file from my computer, can also convert files by URL. I can also convert files from my Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. So simply upload the file that you want to convert to MP4 into the section, and then Cloud Convert will immediately convert that file into MP4. And then after they have converted that file, you can go ahead and install it and download it into your device. And that is how you can basically convert MOV to MP4. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.